Hello, I'm Masaru. This time, I will make excellent shoyu ramen using ingredients you have at home. I have some leftover delicious char siu pork from the previous video, so I'd like to use that as a topping as well. If you haven't watched the previous video yet, I've put a link to the video in the summary section, so please watch it. Now let's start cooking. Add soy sauce and granulated bonito stock to the ramen bowl. Tilt the pan at an angle, add the lard and garlic, and heat. I only had a tube of garlic paste at home, so I used it. Slice regular garlic if you have it. Heat over very low heat for 2 to 3 minutes to slowly transfer the aroma of the garlic to the oil. Be careful not to burn the garlic. Add the melted lard to the ramen bowl. Add water, sake, and mirin to the pan used earlier. Add chicken broth mix. Bring to a boil over medium heat to make dashi broth. Pour plenty of water into another pot, bring to a boil, then boil the noodles. Any noodles can be used as long as they are specially made for ramen. While the noodles are boiling, prepare the ramen toppings. Of course, I will add the char siu that I made in the previous video. Make sure to drain the noodles thoroughly. Pour the soup stock into the ramen bowl and mix well with a shoyu sauce. Finally, add the toppings. Now, let's eat.